All right, here we go, guys. In 3, 2, and a bingo bango. A bingo and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms or pattern memorization. We show you how to successfully trade in the most simplistic form. The most simplistic form. See, bingo bango lurking in the background. All right, love it, guys. I love it. All right, so let's look at crypto bubbles. Nothing too exciting today. Today's been a go outside and touch grass. Go outside and touch grass type of day. Maybe tomorrow too. You know, we're in February. Today is the first day of February. And let's see how many days it takes before we start going up and up and up with small retraces, 15, 30%. And 30% is going to be small compared to the massive gains, 80. Now we'll say 40 to 80% going up, then a retrace about 15, 30%, then going up some more. Oh, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Make sure to have stop losses in place if you do stop losses. Make sure to have lower entries in place if you're doing a longer term hold idea. And all these we're gonna be talking about more as the time comes for it. Now, of course, I've been prepping my VIP group for the past 2 months now. Really strong. And of course, prior to that, I was kind of just letting them know what to expect when the time comes. Since December, we've been talking about this very frequently in reference to our plan. Our plan not only to make money, because making money is going to be really, really easy, like crazy easy. Everybody's going to think they're a genius. But when it comes to actually securing those profits, that's where true skill truly comes in. And I'm going to be showing not only my VIP, but also you as well. All right. Now, if you want to be a VIP, let's see. Do I even have it loaded up? I don't think I do. I do not think I do. That's all right. We'll do that later on, I guess. If we remember, and hopefully I do, because this gives you the opportunity to get into the VIP at a huge discount price. Now we are looking at crypto bubbles on the hourly time frame, and we see that, you know, nothing's too exciting. I mean, we have some green, but not much. Not much. All right, here we go. This is your yearly fee. And then, of course, you get 1 month for free. And then here's some more stuff. You can read it if you like. If you're curious about all this information, definitely reach out to me right there. Right there. Trade_intuition. It's unlike any group you've ever been in. Hands down. You don't think so? Okay. Send me a message on Telegram. And I have I'll give you information on the group. And again, it's nothing like you've ever seen. All right. Moving on. Let's see here. Oh, this stuff is boring. Let's look at the actual charts. Dang it. Let me close out my trade. Down 15%, not too bad. 74x leverage, 15% loss, not bad. All right. So what I'm thinking Bitcoin's going to do is Bitcoin's going to roll over. It's just a matter of time. So price came down, started coming down, took a short, did really nice on the short, started coming up, closed the short. Then it looked like it was going to continue coming down. I said, all right, let me open it up just right before the stream. And right now I see it coming up, down 15%. I said, let me close it. Now, one of the bad things that happens to me personally is that sometimes I'll watch it too much. I was like, nope, don't like it, and I'll cut it off. And then it'll come back, okay, I like it, and put it back on. But that tends to save me more times than it doesn't, because, well, it can continue coming up, then breaking out of this level, and then go up. But let's look at this in the bigger picture. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What do we think is going to happen? Okay, let's look here. This is the main level that it needs to break out of. This is our resistance zone, supply zone, yes, supply zone, selling pressure, whatever you want to call it. I always get confused with supply zone and demand zone because I don't use that terminology very much. But just know this is where chance of a reversal. You know, price came up here and it stopped, came down, major pivot. Price came up here, same area, stopped. came back down, same, you know, run the same level now, zone, came down, came down, came down, came down. So when it does come up here, you know, we have a higher likelihood of it coming down unless it finds support right here. So what we're looking for when it finally, if it does this, something like this, you know, comes up, comes down, bounces off of this level, comes up again, gets rejected off of this level, comes back down, does this. Of course, it's going to need to retrace at some point. So maybe here, maybe even a lower low, freak everybody out, then trick everybody, and then this would be nice. Moon mission. This would be really nice. Or if it, let me delete all this. Control. Try that again. Control. Serious right now? Are you serious right now? Come on. Come on. There we go. If it does break this level, this liquidity got taken up already, but we can easily take, and this is what I'm looking for in this short that I was in, but then I closed it. I'm looking for something like this. And I think it'll break through this one really quick. Maybe even come down in here. And then what we need to see is we need to see this bounce. Man, do we need to see this bounce? If not, well, then here's our next level. Now, this level is from our prior bull run. These are the peaks of the bull run. So if we go to the daily time frame and kind of just zoom out a little bit, we can see that we have this to this is from the 21 bull run, and then this one is from the bull run prior to this, 2017. We're way over here. 2017 to this high is this thicker orange. The thinner orange is this one. The dotted line, very thin, it's from this. And these are all the trend lines we need right now. Don't need to overcomplicate the charts, that's for sure. All right, let's see who's here. We got Moho in the house. What's up, Moho? Appreciate you, man, being here. We got Wix Wi-Fi 89. Thank you so much for being here. Greatly appreciate it. It's indeed happy Saturday. Lower lows, so everyone buys more. Yes, yes, indeed. Let's see here. So what else do we see? We don't want to cross in this. Definitely not this. If so, moon mission, but on the shorts. On the shorts. Let's see here. Retro Mike Tech says, driving but listening. Don't worry, I'm steering with my knees. I knew it. Steering with your knees is, I believe, your middle name. I think you told me that once. Yes, indeed. All right, so we're looking at this. If it breaks this level and this level, I mean, we still have a chance of coming down. Now, the more time that passes, the less likely of it coming all the way down here to 73, 80, the more time that passes. Because what we're doing, if we just kind of hide everything, we have, just look at on the daily, that's on the daily time frame. We have this, we can call it a falling, broadening wedge. You know, we have this where it opens up, and then this where it opens up. It did break out. It went up, retraced, went up a little bit, came down, lower high. Then we broke this high, which is good because now this is showing strength coming up. I wouldn't be surprised if it came down to here to 95.7. I would not be surprised. Let me go back to my 15-minute time frame. Yeah, so, oh, that's on the hour time frame. Let me go to the 5-minute. For me to re-enter, I needed to break 100.969. So I just created my level. This is what it looks like on the 5-minute time frame. No paste, really? Can I do a paste? Oh, I have this. Whoops. That's what it looks on the 5-minute time frame. So I just created this level. So if it breaks this level, I'll go short again. I think I had a short from up here somewhere. Came down here. As soon as it started coming up, I was like, nope, close up. We'll see. Right now, just kind of degenning it. Right now, it's going down. It's going down. The ship's going down. All right. So if we do break, I mean, let's see here. Let's go daily. Okay. So up, down, up, higher than this. I would expect it to come down here, right where a bounce area is at. Right here. This is where I would expect it to come down to. Let's look at the 5-minute time frame so we can see what I'm seeing. And I do have an alert here just so I can play with Bitcoin. You know, I'm trying to poke Bitcoin with a stick. Trying to poke Bitcoin with a stick. Oh, that's the 15. It's like, why does it look different? It's not looking strong. You know, we saw it from up here. High, lower high, lower high, barely lower high. Broke this level, came down. I started doing a short here. I think I got out here. I came down some more. Then opening up here again. Start coming up. But just playing with Bitcoin right now. And just poking it with the stick. That's all I'm doing. Let's see here. Going on the list. Okay. Very good. All right. Any coins, questions, comments, concerns, issues? I appreciate everybody being here. I really do. And I appreciate y'all smashing the like. You guys are the best. Like, you truly are the best. Now, I am going to be doing a new video series for my group. And I'm very excited about that. I've been doing a lot of notes as far as making the videos just a little bit more compact. Now, granted, I have a lot of videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long, on average 4 minutes, but I'm doing a new video series. So here. Yes, definitely, guys. Thank you so much for smashing the like. All right. So right now we're looking at this. We're going to be playing with Bitcoin. Now, I had a $10 account. It went to a $25, then a $33 account. Then I started playing with higher leverage on different coins, not Bitcoin, different coins, and trying to front run the moves. Some would work, and then some didn't. The ones that didn't, I would lose 50 cents, 75 cents. Now, granted, I started with $10. 50 cents, 25 cents loss, 30 cent loss, gain of $1, minus 25 cents, minus, because I'm just closing them out. Like, nope. Well, doing all that, it really did hurt the account. And now I am at $10, $9.50. I'm at $9.50. So we'll see. We shall see if we can recoup and do what was working, playing with Bitcoin. Now, granted, I do like playing with these other tokens. Now, I believe, yes, I was in a short here. I entered a short here. Oh, 5-minute time frame. I entered a short once it broke this level, and it came down, it went up, and I took profit, and then my stop loss got hit. Then it broke this level, entered again, and then I think I took profit. I think I entered again. But this one is doing what I was thinking it was going to do. It's just because I have such high I think I was doing 74x leverage here too. It's like, uh-oh. So this is the level I'm watching. And I want to front run it. Hey, why is it different? This is what I see on MixC. Oh, it's on Bitstamp, that's why. So it's mine's right here. Anyway, that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at, staring at it like a hawk. All right, so let's go ahead and get Tau. Yes, let's use some Tau. I'm gonna front run this. It looks like it wants to bounce up though. What? 10, 11, 6, 6. 10, 11, 6, 6. Okay. In here. And let's see. Tau. Let's do this clear. Tau. And mix it. Bittensor. Here we go. And daily time frame. Let's remove some of this noise. The daily time frame. So the price was up here. We're seeing our buy zones here. If you want to enter here, and of course we have this alert here. 4 hour. I think we've been here. We're really gonna stopped out more than likely. Oh yeah, we've been stopped out. All right, so let's. Oops, what did I push? Let's delete all our 10 drawings. Wow, everybody left. Ouch, that hurt my feelings. Literally. Maybe I'm looking at it wrong. Nope. This time I looked at it for a few seconds. Why do I do this? Well, all right, moving on. All right, so we're looking at Tau. And let's see here. Oh, awesome. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you, Jono. Thank you so much for showing up. Thank you. Thank you. We're still here. Thank you. Thank you, Wi-Fi99. You are the best. You are the best. So we're looking at the daily time frame. And kind of not liking what I'm seeing. It's looking weak, but hopefully we can respect this trend line. I'm going to use the candle bodies. So this is the really the area I'm looking at. This level and this level. This is my zone. Get out of here, trend line. Confusing me. Confusing me. Hey, all right. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go. So this is creating a zone for me. Really not liking how it's looking. We have a high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and at the same time we're doing lower lows. So it's in this just downtrend, and it really needs to find support here. See, we're able to look at Supra, first higher high in 4 hours in a while. Hey, we'll look at Supra. We will look at Supra. So it was Tau and Supra. Selling pressure. Got some buying pressure. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. I already have my mind made up, but let's go 4 hour just so we can see more price action. Oh, nice. 589 did a super chat. Appreciate you greatly. That's one way to make me in a happy mood. Been kind of down and out lately. Not sure if y'all have been catching it. Down and out. But I appreciate you greatly. Says, thank you for Tau. DGB, still making 10% moves. There you go. If I did that futures thing, I'd probably be big trading. Yeah, futures, I mean, it can be a blessing and a curse at the same time. It really can. I do it more so just for kind of fun and excitement. That's really why I do it. Just fun. And now sometimes it's not too exciting when you lose. Not too exciting. But I like it. It's fun. It's kind of like, going to the convenience store, getting a scratch off, be like, if I win, I win. If not, sometimes you win $5, $10, 100, 500, 1,000, whatever. And then other times like, oh, I tried, I played. But I don't want to lose money, of course. All right, moving on. So looking at this on the 4-hour time frame, came up, down, up, kind of rolling over, and then it lost a level, coming down. I wouldn't be surprised if it at least came here. This is our decision point. When it comes down to this area, this is our decision point. Is it going to bounce here and show strength? Or is it going to continue to roll over? So if you have higher risk and greater conviction on this coin, what you could do is you could set I want to say a lower entry, but I won't. I have to wait and see what happens, because I would hate for this trade to continue going down another 20, 30% if it's just a trade. So I'm thinking it could do something like this. If it finds support, would I enter here? I can add, okay. So I can do 50% here if it breaks this level, if this happens. And then then we can add 100% here. But right now it's not looking too strong. Again, this is our decision point. If it does break this level, we're looking for this zone right here. And then this. And then, oh, they're really close. So these will be my targets for entry, lower entries. Let's see, lower entry. Copy, clone. Nope. Nope. Clone. So what's the price range difference between where it's at now? 25%, okay. 41%, okay. And this is a big market cap, 50%. I seriously doubt this one will hit. But I mean, who knows? I mean, the prices may come down. One last flash crash before a moon mission. Before moon mission. Automatic beats in the house. What's going on? So for those of you who don't know, this is our new emoji, courtesy of, or in honor of username. Because I'm always joking with him that he uses a helmet when he trades. So that is a foam helmet. Very difficult to see because it is an emoji. It kind of looks like a smiley face. Hey, we got Jesse is now my favorite. Thank you, Jesse. Appreciate you. So Jesse and username are the same person, I think. That's a conspiracy. But this is username's emoji. It is a foam helmet with the arrows. So I'll give you a heads up. So I want to show you all really quick. It's going to show up here. Okay, loading. It's this. It's a foam helmet with this. That's zoomed in. See, why can't I chat for some reason? I don't know. I see you on here. Jesse's can't chat for some reason. I didn't block them. I don't block anybody. Jesse and username are in fact the same person though. I knew it. Jesse is here. We can't see him. I don't know. I don't have anybody blocked. And Jesse's trying to type in the chat. I've never blocked him. See, Jesse using same person. Just can't chat for some reason. And I have it for everybody. I don't have it for only members. Let me check. I may put it like only members in the live stream, but I doubt it. Public. Customization. Live chat. Oh, no, I have subscribers. So these are the people who can chat. Subscribers, any duration. So you have to be subscribed to my channel. I don't know. You're not blocked. Okay. Come over here. Gotta click on Jesse's username to see and see. Okay. Where's Jesse's username? But he couldn't chat. Okay. I'm going to the very top. Didn't he do the first one? I can't see it because it's dumb gold. I mean, end poll. Go into the poll. See Wick's wife. How do I look for him? He's not in the chat, but that's the issue. He's not in the chat. See, ain't seen. Wait, Jesse isn't subscribed. No way. Jesse, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. All right, let's see here. Poor Jesse. Jesse DM'd me and said he is subscribed. I have no idea. Nobody's blocked. He got rugged. Supra, not super. Okay. Supra. Look up Zen. Oh, Jesse, maybe you need to change your account from username to Jesse, since y'all the same person. I don't know, man. I don't have anybody blocked, and I have it for subscribers only. Okay. Hopefully we get that fixed. Not sure. Oh man, I haven't played board games in forever. Crypto Chef in the house. Thank you, man. Thank you for being here. Thank you for smashing the like. You guys are the best. Maybe reload the webpage. Maybe reload. That's the only thing I can think of. All right. So we're looking at towel. And we need to see a bounce here. If not, this is our first lower entry and second lower entry, third lower entry. And you can see them in blue. Now, if it does break above, we have this zone that I'm looking at. Man, too many zones, I know. So I would set an alert right here. And then more than likely when this alert goes off, we're ready to rock and roll. 20%, yeah. So more than likely when this alert goes off, we would have already seen something like this. I don't want to set the alert sooner because I don't want to get baked out and then it come down again. So we'll set the alert here. And then by the time the alert goes off, we're ready to rock and roll. I think so. What was the other one? It was going back to it. Digibytes. I would like to see it come down here though to 306. I think that'd be a nice come down and then now start making its higher highs. I'm waiting for one more shakeout, guys. I don't know about y'all, but I'm waiting for one more shakeout. DGB. Not sure where I'm typing it. DGB. Go back seat. Nope. Finance. Okay, we're looking at it way over here, I guess. I'm not sure. Oh my gosh. Get out of here, 14 drawings. Let's look at this from the start. I think all of them are going to kind of reset right now. Don't know. Won't know until it happens. Lock it. We're in the golden pocket for a little bit. And then can you see? He's not blocked. I didn't block anybody. I blocked one person a long time ago, and that was a scammer. Free hashtag free Jesse. I love you guys. Hashtag free Jesse. Yeah, I blocked one person a long time ago, and that was a scammer. Other than that, I don't know. We can try to look at it really quick. Give me 2 minutes. Go to my YouTube studio. Go to settings, I think. Permissions. Nope. General. Nope. Channel. Advanced. I don't know. I don't know how to do all that stuff. Community. Oh, here are the comments under community. Wow. No idea. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Yeah, sorry, Jesse. I'm not sure what happened. I mean, you're not blocked. I didn't block you. See, David says, I'm waiting for another shakeout too, unless some massive volume and money flow changes my mind. Exactly. Yeah, so I'm waiting for, I hope it's just one more. And we're so close. We're so close. So I'm just waiting for one more and then a bingo bango to the bake. All right, so look at this. And let's draw our line. It's good to me. It looks like it will come down. Oh man. Do I think it'll come down all the way down here? That's what I'm gearing to. In order for me to be bullish on this, it needs to break this level. Because this is the most recent high. Right now it's just coming down, down, down. So currently, I have to do this. I'd have to wait for the break of this. Let's change the color so we don't get confused to this one. And just so that we're not staring at it for hours and hours throughout the day, just set an alarm. So alert. Looking at the price action. I like the price action, nice and clean. As far as the higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and so on and so forth. Here, man, it really tricked everybody. This here went into the golden pocket, came up, did a lower low, watch out, but then it broke the recent high. All right, do we do a higher low? Bingo bango. Well, let's go. And then now we're expecting a higher high. Didn't happen? Nope. Came down. Broke this level. Ouch. Tricked everybody. Yeah, so this one I see it coming down to. We just gotta be patient. Just watch it every so often and then hopefully we can go. Yay, my short's doing okay. Short's doing 31%. Boring. Boring. Let's see here. Next one is Supra, not Super, but Supra. Supra, USDT. Mexi. Showing hope, showing promise. It's a layer one. It's an oracle. Market cap is really low. This means it can move very fast or very fast up or down. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame so we can just see more. Yeah, I can see the low market cap. Signature all over the place. Ouch. Okay. So what I'm looking at is the break of this. This was the major. I mean, we have a break of this one, which is good. But this is our main pivot. Came up, stopped, came down. This one was kind of weak, but this is our main one. And it seems to not have respected this level. Kind of like a teenager rolling the eyes. You don't understand me. And it slams the door. And you're like, you're 13 or 15 or 18 or whatever age you are. I don't have any kids, so I'm a genius and a expert on kids. Give you a heads up. Those that don't have are experts. Or at least they or we claim to be. I don't. I just do it for fun. Story time. My brother's kid, which is my niece, she was like 2 years old or something, and I'm teaching her to say thank you and yes sir, and just manners. Well, he ends up telling me, because I don't have any kids, he ends up telling me that I should not be teaching her that stuff. So what do you mean, manners? He says she's not a robot. And I said, okay. So I'm an expert in kids. Give you a heads up. Yeah, I was like, what do you mean? Like, you want her to say thank you and please and yes, sir, and no, ma'am? And She's not a robot. All right, brother, no problem. See you. See, it's a free washing machine. Get in, get out. Don't be hanging around going for more. Take the money and run. Exactly. Exactly. See here, so Supra. Well, we had a really nice, you know, kind of a retest here. A lot of buying pressure. Selling pressure equal. Came down here. Now, because of this nice run up, I would not be surprised if it came back to this level. I really want to say this level, but not so much. I think it's going to be above it. This will be a really nice level to go to. However, I think it'll go to this level. To this right here. That's what I'm trying to match up. That'd be a nice level to match up to. Well, let's look what the fibs tell us. What did the fibs tell us? The fibs tell us it's going to go underneath possible the golden pocket. The reason I'm saying it has more of a chance to come down is because so far it hasn't pumped the brakes. It hasn't stopped yet. It hasn't tried to make a pivot. Let's see here. David says, I like your kind of expertise with kids. You want for a while. Mine do better than most, but hey, we can all use some help. Yeah. No thanks. Don't want any kids. When I was young, I did. Now, man, am I glad I don't. If I want to go do something, I just go. I love the freedom. Big time. Big time. I'll tell my brother all the time too. Yeah, man, let's go do this. Let's go out. Well, I can, you know, we got to get a babysitter and that, blah, blah. So how about just you, man? I can't, dude. It's like, dude. That was one time I was talking to my buddy. I was talking about South Padre. And he's, oh, man, I've never been. I said, you want to go? He's like, yeah, when? So right now I got a full tank of gas. Sure. Went to South Padre, 5-hour drive. Let's go. I love it. The days of just, it's like being a teenager, but with money. Yeah, you go have fun and you can pay for it now. Pretty cool. I like it. And I don't have to worry about, you know, being disrespected or nothing like that. Or being on the news because my kid disrespected me. Yeah. Moving on. All right. Supra, I see it coming down even more until it pumps the brakes and stops. But I think it's going to come down to at least here. I don't think it'll come down here. I really don't. And it's coming down pretty much. Yeah, 3 more%. An extra 12%. Not too bad. All the way up here. Oh, it's only 30%. It's going to be a lot more than that. But I don't think it'll come down here, though. Man, huge run up. Man, that was nice. That was nice. Well, let's look at this. I mean, it's like, what, 78% already? Let's go to a weekly. Oh, let's go to a daily. All right. So for those of you who know, you know, whenever I draw a fib, I never use the first candle, ever. Not for nothing. And usually, like if I'm on a lower time frame, on a 4-hour, 1 hour, like the first day of candles, I don't use because it's all manipulation, so I don't use it. But here I will use this part right here. Go to this. And I can't see nothing. I was trying to, but too difficult. Okay, so it went to the 786. I went underneath the 786, battled in the 786. Man, I want to be positive on this. But it just screamed to me, oh, come on, Bitcoin. Go back down. So now if it breaks this level, I'm in good shape. I'm going to set a stop loss right here. 101. Can I do 101.1? Just make it simple. 101, 100. 101, 100. 10% loss, 9%. Okay, we'll see what happens. Okay. Yeah, but in all honesty, I mean, it needs to break this level up here in order for us to gain confidence in it. And I'll make this one a different color. Because until then, it's just, it can travel anywhere in here, and then it'll still end up being a lower high. Let's do Zen. I'm not having any Zen right now, looking at Bitcoin. Right now I'm plus 8%. But that's not good though, because I'm 74x leverage. Oh, 77. 8% is not good. Let me see. Another one. Ouch. And just stop already. Stop the bleeding. Stop the bleeding. Let's go. Man, these alts, like, this is truly a test of crypto belief. Because I mean, it's just bleeding, and I mean, it gives us like a little bit of hope, and then just bleeding and bleeding some more. Oh man. And right now it's breaking this level. It needs to bounce. It needs to. These coins are having literally no mercy on us. "36 seconds. Oh, I hate this. I'm gonna probably close out my trade. I hate doing that. I want to see it going in my direction and only my direction. Of course, they're going to do the retracements, all that fun stuff. I expect that. Now I'm using this level here because I have more touches. Technically, I can use this. Yeah, I just use it so it looks clean. There you go, baby. Good. All right. See, but it has this too. I mean, just all this is support. You know, even though this is a pivot, I'm gonna have to use this. What's the price range difference? I'm late with it, but I gotta put that up there. I'm late with it, but hashtag free Jesse. I don't know what happened. Maybe username did it. I don't know. I didn't do it. I know that. I've only banned one person, and that was a scammer. That was a long time ago. Long time ago. Hashtag free Jesse. Let's see. So I'm seeing this to come down, possibly bounce off of these support levels, come up, come down again, and then hopefully coming up again. Jesse says he wants to assure Joe that he's here and watching. Thank you, Jesse. Appreciate you, man. I have no idea what happened. I didn't block. No reason for me to block. You're the one of the ones that gives out like amazing calls. You and your other personality. I mean, you and username. Both of y'all give out like crazy calls. I don't know, dude. Once we're now, I did no, but that was somebody else. That was somebody who left one of those scam comments on my thing. But oh, so many of my alts are nearly back to August lows. This bull run is depressing. Tell me about it, man. Tell me about it, dude. Like, I started buying some coins March of last year. They were doing great. Ooh, man, my account was, ooh, man. Come April, then come May, whoa, I'm not selling at a loss. You know, I was thinking that maybe because the market, everything was different. All-time high was before the halving, more institutional money, blah, blah, all this other good stuff. More people coming into crypto. Maybe more people are doing, you know, it's going to boom now. Maybe we're going to start early. Nope. No thanks. And I'm down quite a bit. So it's not a loss until you sell. So I haven't sold. Just waiting ever so patiently. And I really hope, so this is one we have to wait. If you want it to be safer, that's to break the high. So what I would do is I would set an alert for him. No, I did it right. Set alert. Now, one coin that I'm in, what's the coin? It's a VRA. Ooh, I haven't heard that name in a long time. VRA, Mexi. Ouch. It's like I stubbed my toe. Come on, VRA. This one is supposed to change my life. This one right here is supposed to change my life. Back in 2021, I bought it. Man, I can't even believe. Oh, so depressing. I bought it at, I think at 7 or 8. So let's go weeks. Let's take a trip down a memory lane. I bought this. Yeah, I bought it around here, March 2021. Right after it ran up a whole bunch at around 7. And I'm telling my buddy, dude, check this coin out. It's called VRA. It's doing really nice. It already retraced. And he's like, it retraced beautifully to, I think, the golden pocket or whatever it retraced to. And it's like, no joke, not buying it because it's overbought on the weekly. It's overbought on the daily. I was like, yeah, man, it's overbought. I mean, it just had a massive run up, but it retraced now. And now it's starting to bounce again. And it's oversold on the RSI, everything. Not doing it. On the weekly, daily, 4 hour, not doing it. So, all right, well, I'm buying in. And then, look what happened. I buy overbought all the time. From, let's just say here. Went all the way up to 600%. And I was telling him here and here and here. Nope. All right. Then we had this huge sell-off. It's like, oh crap, what the heck? And then I think I bought in July again. So right around here, about 10, I guess. So I bought, it's dumb though, because I bought a little bit here, and then I bought a lot here, instead of the other way around. Bought a lot here. And then now, because it cooled off, now he buys it. I was like, dude, you could have made all this money but I didn't sell because I was staking it. And so he ended up buying, selling, whatever. And then I bought it again after this. Did I buy again? I know I bought at 7. I think I bought up here too. I don't remember. And look at this. So I'm telling everybody, I'm staking this, and I'm telling everybody, man, I'm gonna retire. It's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna retire once it hits 8 cents. That's what I said, 8 cents. I'm gonna retire once it hits 8 cents. And I was saying that over here. I couldn't believe it, 8 cents. I mean, shoot, man, I got it way down here. 8 cents would be amazing. Well, it hits 8 cents. And what do? Nope, not selling, guys. People are saying it's gonna go to 25 cents. I'm gonna buy an island. I'm gonna have a jet. I'm gonna, have a boat that takes me from my island to my other island. It's gonna be amazing. Extended bull run, guys, extended bull run. And I held it. And I held it. And I held it. And I'm like, what just happened? And it keeps on coming down. Everything's coming down. Don't worry, it's gonna come back up. It's gonna come back up. I was very desperate. Not desperate. I was very upset that I had made all this money here, and I round tripped it. Not once, but twice. And I was like, I'm just gonna sell it. Forget it. And I'm looking at it 70% loss or whatever. Now I think I'm at a loss. Wherever I bought it in the dollars cost average, now I'm thinking a loss. Comes down even more. And I was like, you know what? It was a huge loss. I think it was so. I'm glad I didn't. Because I held. And all these coins, I want to say here, I made a lot of coins. Well, throughout the whole time, I made a lot of coins. And then it pumped up and down. And what's really, really sad is that the amount of money I spent here and here to get the amount of tokens that I had, my buddy, he bought somewhere down here. And he spent, let's just say, which these numbers are very, very not right. Let's just say I bought $100 here, average $100 total, to get 100 tokens. Just simple math. He spent $3 to get 100 tokens. Just for simple math. And he told me how many tokens he had. I was like, are you kidding me? I spent so much money to get those tokens. He was like, oh yeah. Like, wow. And now it's even lower. Man, that's bad. That's the only retirement I'm going to go to is a retirement home from going crazy. Because that is horrible. That's half of when I bought it the first time. Ouch. Let's see here. Joe, can you look at AIC for Jesse? Yes, definitely. AIC. And thank you, Jesse. I'm not sure what's going on. But yeah. See here. What's up? Not much. Nah, definitely not my bags. Joe says, Joe's got the woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yeah, syndrome. We all done it. Yeah. But now this time around, this, I guarantee you guys, this is not going to happen. Now granted, it did happen here in March for me on these coins because I didn't want to take a loss. And we had that dump. I'll do it for going on a year now. Every cycle you learn lessons. And every cycle you get better, you get sharper. I can't wait for the next bear market. Do so many things different. And then the next bull market, so many things different. But you have to experience it. And this pain, man, it hurts. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda syndrome. The woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda syndrome will hurt your soul. Yep. AP says, mine aren't looking too pretty either. But I'm hopelessly hopeful. Yeah. And that's all it takes. Hopelessly hopeful. Just knowing that it's going to happen. Like there's no doubt in my mind that we're not going to do great things in 2025. No doubt in my mind. We'll see. So let us go to AIC, USDT, MEXI, AI companions. Booming. 4 hour streaming no market cap coin. Let's look at it. AIC. AIC. AI companions. Market cap 332 million. It got introduced last year in September 2024. Okay, where is it available? MEXI, GetIO. So low exchanges with the potential of getting on higher exchanges, which would be better. Market cap 328. It is an AI memes website. AI companions. Our vision is to revolutionize companionship with AI companions. Highly customizable, blah, blah, more things and stuff. Future of presentation. What is AI virtual companions? Offers a range of features designed to create highly personalized and immersive experiences for users by leveraging cutting edge AI, VR, AR, and and blockchain technologies. Okay. Roadmap. Phase 1. White paper release. Phase 2. So we're still in phase 1 because it's Q1 of 2025. Phase 2, 3. I don't see why it can't do good. Is that a word, can't? I don't see why it cannot do good. So liquidity, whole bunch of liquidity. 14 gets 15%. It's average. Partnerships 10%. Advisory 5. It looks clean. If this is correct. Team and advisories. Okay. Not good that they're not doxed. They're not pictures, and you can go to their pages. There's another word I'm looking for, but can't find it. Okay. Trade on BingX, MEXI. Okay. Partners, altcoin daily. Okay. Featured on Cointelegraph. Okay. Just for giggles, let's go to the Twitter. Just for giggles. 69.7 thousand followers. Okay. All right. And of course, if you get YouTubers like this talking about it with nice videos, animation, nice setup, nice lighting, everything. Price point to $1. We'll see. Man, great everything.
So definitely stay tuned for that. Of course, this is my research to do. Everyone being crypto, give me a follow. The unstoppable rise of AI companions, or AIC, continues, smashing through yet another all-time high.
I gotta take notes from this dude. He's good. Okay. I like it. It's good. Okay. So let's go to the charts. Okay. I like it. YouTubers talking about it. It'll probably continue to pump. That was, I think, video 10 hours ago. So in the 4 hour time frame, so it just started. I don't think we'll get a retrace to here due to that dude's YouTube, and I'm sure he's got a lot of followers. He looks very professional. Okay, so let's do a fib retracement. And we'll go from here. Possible here. Okay. So if we're lucky, we'll come down here. If we're lucky. A more realistic and better opportunity for us. It comes down here. I don't think it'll come down here because of the hype because that YouTuber did it. YouTubers that watch him will also more than likely buy in and hype it up to their community. So I think this is gonna be going. If I didn't see that YouTuber, it'd be okay coin, but because I saw that YouTuber and how professional he is, I'm sure he's got a massive following. I'm sure it's going to continue doing well. And this is what the part of the whole research is. Like, you have to kind of dig to see, because automatically if I just look at this chart, don't like it. Like, nobody's buying it. It's just all bots buying, selling. Looks horrible. You know, it came out here. But if I look to see what it is, it's like, okay, I can see that this could solve a problem. So you want a problem and a solution. Problem, lonely, want a friend, want somebody to talk to, whether it's, you know, just like a diary type thing, or you want somebody to, you know, talk back, or something, some kind of, and it's sad, but so many people are introverts and they don't want to go out. They don't want to have fun. They don't want to do any stuff. But if they can have their own little robot they can talk to, or AI, they're going to do that. That's a solution for them if they wanted it. I think it'll do well. And of course, if they, you know, have their plan actually work out, I think it'll do well. So with that being said, now that I know about it, now that I know that YouTuber did it, what I would do personally is I would enter right now with the lower bid. So I would do entry right now. Let's see here, YouTube entry. Let's do February 1st. Time is 6. Good. Sure. All right, Wix Wife Fine 89. Appreciate you greatly for being here. Thank you very much. See here, I don't want to talk to real people. Why would I want to talk to fake people? Nice. Yeah, my cousin's the same way. He's like, I'm racist to everybody. I don't like anybody. See, my massive VRA bag was stomped on and emptied by KuCoin. Really? Ended up being XRP and XDC, so I could afford to move it off KuCoin and have reasonable fees. Wow. Wow. Man, I forgot all about this. I have a token. I don't even know what token it is. I don't even know where it's at. But I bought a nice chunk of change with it, or of it, back in 2020, or maybe 2021. I don't even know if I still have it. It was a good chunk of change too. I'm pretty sure it's down like 99%. Man, I forgot what the token was called. I forgot what the exchange is called. Okay. Let's see. All right, lower entries. We always want to do lower entries. 20%. You know what? Let's just shoot for the moon. Because of such a low market cap, let's shoot for the moon. Let's do this as our lower entry. Darn it. Darn it. There we go. Let's do this. Coordinates. Just so we can see it. Now let's get some targets. That's the fun part. Let's get us some targets. Because of the low market cap, first target, and we'll do it a little bit. 50%. Do one more target. 92%. Let's get to mean target. So this coordinates. Target. Okay. Okay, I like it. I like it. Let's see here. All right, so for AIC, this is AI Companions. Here we would do an enter now based off of the research that we've done, and of course a recent YouTube video by Danu being done, and a recent YouTube video that was done very professionally, great edits and everything. I'm sure he has a huge following, very professional. I do believe that the price may continue to go up. This is a very low market cap coin. I believe it was 338 million, I believe. Of course, DYOR, do your own research. And we would do an entry right now. Today's February 1st with a lower entry of around 38%. The reason being is because the market cap is so low. So if it does retrace, 30-40% is a drop in the hat for a coin like this. Then we would have our target of about 50% at this price, 0.677545. Next target of around 92% at 0.861673. I like this coin. I like that it solves a problem, and I think it'll do well. Not financial advice. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. That's it for me. On Saturdays and Sundays, we do the live streams at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Of course, we do Piper Academy as well, Monday through Friday, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And my community's wanted me to do another live stream later in the evening, and I'm thinking about doing it either 9 Eastern or 12 a.m. I'm pretty sure it's going to be closer to 12 a.m. We'll see. All right, guys. I do thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, as always, my name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. I do thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Let's make this money. And no outro. Today was good. I liked it. It was nice and relaxing. All right. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you tomorrow, later on. Take care.